Let's face it, it's no longer just about keeping the lights on. Today's utilities are expected to provide 24/7 customer service, accurate reporting, and user-friendly tools, all while accommodating each customer's preferred communication method and device. What's more, the growing demand for renewable energy, coupled with deregulation and decentralized generation, is shifting the utilities' value chain and forcing operations to become more integrated. This shift is expected to affect 70% of business processes, many of which are complex but still operate manually and independently of other functions with limited information sharing. As a result, these processes are often disjointed, costly, and the data available is underutilized, all of which can affect your bottom line. Integrating, aligning, and automating a utility operation is no easy task, but it's necessary in today's digital world to better manage demand response and capacity, improve the customer experience, and optimize costs. To do it right requires a partner who can design and deliver best practice business processes while ensuring a secure transformation that's done at your pace. Capgemini has helped leading utilities automate, standardize, and improve complex business processes using our innovative global enterprise model that we call GEM. GEM is a proven transformation methodology that drives best practices while streamlining end-to-end processes in the areas of supply chain management, finance and accounting, marketing, sales and service, asset lifecycle management, and human resources. GEM is comprised of 7 levers that ensure you have the right mix of talent to deliver world-class services from the right locations, using best practice processes and leading technologies while applying appropriate pricing and governance models. Let's look at an example. A typical utilities meter-to-cash process ranges from receiving and processing meter data to invoice and payment processing to responding to customer inquiries. GEM allows you to easily apply our best practice utilities target operating model by calibrating each of the 7 levers as appropriate for your operation. The first lever determines the optimum team structure to ensure seniority and experience matches the service expectations. A higher grade mix would be applied to complex billing and regulatory reporting processes. Next, the location mix is optimized for cost and capability. Utilities tend to require a higher nearshore ratio with a possible onshore presence for the purposes of regulatory knowledge as well as labor requirements. Lever 3 aligns employee skill sets to each role to provide specific utilities competencies for smart meter network operations and settlement processes. Capgemini's renowned global process model is the 4th lever and offers a robust repository of specific processes for meter reading and operations to minimize exceptions and drive optimal control. The 5th lever identifies which technology solutions provide the best value for the money, focusing on analytics as well as mobile, cloud, and social applications to maximize the impact of stakeholder interactions. Pricing is next, and this lever looks at the best mechanisms to achieve desired outcomes by aligning with your value drivers. Finally, the 7th lever applies the appropriate service governance on all levels. Our command center focuses on analytics to drive process as well as business improvements with continuous innovation. The 7 levers of GEM have been applied to utilities operations across North America and Europe to help reduce days to close, increase purchasing compliance, drive procurement cost savings, improve vendor discount rates, decrease dispute volumes, increase cash collections, speed the employee onboarding process, and minimize Sarbanes-Oxley violations. These are just a few examples of the outcomes Capgemini has delivered in collaboration with utilities clients. Whether you want a big bang approach or a phased transformation, GEM will enable you to drive best practices across your business processes in a controlled, low-risk, and measured way. Connect with one of Capgemini's experts to find out how we can help you integrate your value chain and reduce operations costs while increasing customer satisfaction and involvement.
People matter, results count.